A layman's guide to the common causes of snoring. Snoring occurs when the soft tissues in your throat relax and start vibrating while you are asleep. It varies from a soft hissing whistle to a loud rumbling noise. Loud snoring can be very disturbing, often waking the sufferer or their partner. Obstructive sleep apnea occurs when the soft tissues at the back of your throat collapse, either partially or completely blocking your airways. A partner will hear you stop snoring, and if observant, may notice that you have stopped breathing properly. The sufferer often makes a loud snorting noise or jerks convulsively when their breathing restarts. These motions can be quite violent. Sleep apnea is often mistaken for bad snoring, but is a much more serious condition which can be life-threatening. Snoring is a very common complaint and can affect anyone regardless of age or condition, although it does become more common among older people, especially those who are prone to respiratory problems. Roughly half of men and a third of women snore, and 1 in 3 of them will develop sleep apnea. People who suffer from snoring tend to share some traits and habits. Swelling to the tonsils, soft tissues, or neck glands. If these are not the result of a short-term illness or injury, then consulting your doctor is probably wise. Irregularity to the shape of the face bones. This can have several causes, including genetic abnormality or the result of injury. These two causes are normally beyond the sufferer's ability to change, and a medical intervention might be the only way to get long-term relief, although there are many devices that might help relieve the symptoms. It is possible for a snorer to alleviate other causes of snoring through changes to their sleep hygiene, routines, or diet. These are smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, especially leading up to bedtime, excessive eating, especially when it leads to clinical obesity, using sleeping pills and other medications that can increase drowsiness, poor sleeping posture, breathing problems caused by allergies, bronchial problems caused by colds. The effects of aging, although these can often be eased through targeted exercise. There are several different types of snoring, and many factors can trigger a bout. Practically everyone will make snorting or coughing noises while they sleep, and this should not be confused with problem snoring. Snoring can mask more serious health complaints, such as sleep apnea or some cancers, so if your snoring is very loud and leaves you feeling tired the next day, or you wake suddenly several times breathing heavily with a fast heartbeat, it is wise to consult a doctor. There are many devices and treatments available to tackle snoring. The cheapest and least invasive place to start is probably with targeted exercise. Click the link in the description to learn more.